Any baseball players in here? Baseball? Yeah? Do you know this dude? He was the MVP of this year's All-Star game. He was a student of mine when he was in college. Really, college is about developing the skills you're going to need to pay your rent in the real world. You'll learn some stuff, but really you're trying to learn how to do stuff. So some of you might know right now what you want to get really good at, and some of you might have zero idea. I had zero idea. I was completely clueless. That's fine. But if you know what you want to get good at, college is a fantastic time to start focusing on getting good at that thing. He knew that this guy, as with most college baseball players, all they care about is baseball. So this is somebody who basically did the minimum in school because they're super focused on their career. And that's fine. He's eventually going to graduate. And he was a 4th round draft pick. He got $350,000 after his 3rd year of college. So, he's fine. But if you show up hungry to develop the skills that you're interested in, you will come out of college ready to kick butt.